Jakarta has many beautiful parks where you and your family can relax and have time at there. Hello ladies and gentlemen, with me again Irfan Traveler, photographer, content creator, and English speaking tour guide. And today we will bring you to Tebet Eco Park, one of the public park located in the Tebet Subdistrict, South Jakarta. To get here, you can using your car or the motorbike, and also can using the public transportation. For you who's using the railway, you can the nearest station is the Tebet station, and from Tebet Eco Park to Tebet train station is about 1.5 kilometer, and by the walking you can reach in the 20 minutes. If you are using the Transjakarta bus, you can stop at the BUMD Transjakarta station, and from there the distance is about 500 meter, and by the walking around 8 minutes you can get to the Tebet Eco Park. And the park itself is open every day from 8 a.m. and close at the 6 p.m. What is Tebet Eco Park from the size and function? From the size, Tebet Eco Park has an area around 7.3 hectare, and this is one of the green open space and have two park separated, and to connect from two park there is a bridge. Now Tebet Eco Park has become one integrated park that carries the concept of harmonization between ecological, social, educational, and recreational function. It's designed to play an important role in environmental sustainability and social interaction, from maintaining the natural quality of the environment to improving the quality of life for visitors and the surrounding community. There are also a river, and the river has been renaturalized, and wetlands have become vegetation pond, plant conservation and replanting to reduce pollution, and various open green space that function to facilitate community interaction. This is a video which I took when I visited the Tebet Eco Park in last year 2023. And as you can see, in this area is very wide and green, and also many of the family and gathering in here with the parents and the children, and also many of the activities like the bicycle and also like the playing, because of they have also the playground for the children, and some people also take the picture and relax under the trees. This is open and free public park for all the people, so you can go here and have the time in here. As a guest, when we visited the Tebet Eco Park, what are the facilities in the park? They have the Infinity Link Bridge, which is designed to connect the North and South Park, which were previously separated by Jalan Tebet Timur. This 6-meter high bridge stands among towering existing trees, which make the bridge seem to be embraced by a lush green canopy. The vegetation arrangement around the Infinity Link Bridge is designed with the various color tone inspired by the leech tree or Eucalyptus digupta bloom. So you can see the red bridge which connect from the North and South Park. They also have the community garden. This is a zone designed for the surrounding community, as well as a place for local communities to carry out activities or cultivation, as well as for gardening, educational activities for school children and the general public. First activities will of course always respond to the existing condition of the site, which was previously a seed garden. It's hoped that using these seed lands as a community gardening zone can increase the value and the usability of the land for the surrounding community. If we bring the children, we can also enjoy. Don't worry, because in the Tebet Eco Park they have also the children playground. In the children playground, there are many activities can be done by the children. And of course, they can interact with the other children at theirs. And because of many playground and many activities can be done here, of course, the children will not be bored when they are in this park. And also, the parent can also enjoy the park. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Infinity Link Bridge, and now we are going from the north to the south. Because this bridge is aesthetic, so many of the people take the picture in here with friends, family, and also some of the people using the space for the pre-wedding photo shoot or for the even photography, and also have making the video and content from this Infinity Link Bridge. And of course, around the evening, around 5 to 6 before the Tebet Eco Park close, the view at the sunset will be better, and when you can see the sunset and the yellow light, the yellow sky, and and also the light when they are began to light up around the park. Many communities and hobbies have met their meeting in this park. They have the community lawns, then would utilize the existing open area surrounded by butterfly flower trees or Bauhinia purpurea and create an exterior space that is separate from the street space. Enclosed space in exterior, and the community lawns accommodate more intimate and group public activities. This is accommodated by the design of grassy mounds, which divide the large area into several smaller and private spaces, but remain within the unity of the landscape. And in this park, there are also the facilities from the toilet and also the musola, or we call it the praying room for the Muslim, and they also have the office, and of course there is the security in this park to make the visitor comfort and safe during their trip in this Tebet Eco Park. They also have the forest buffer. This is a quieter zone from the children playground and the community lawns. In this area, the visitor can walk under the shade of trees and enjoy the natural surrounding. Tree sign and interesting facts are provided to educate visitor. First paper was designed adjacent to the community garden to support more relaxed and educational social activities. The plaza is a public facility which also acts a landmark in the northern area of the bird park. Located in the south northern area, the planning laying or the Tebet Eco Park Plaza take into account the result of studies and site analysis related to social and community condition. Namely, the existing plant cellar aligning the sidewalk of North Tebet Eco Park, and the plaza accommodate plant seller where they can sell to the visitor, but remain at the location closest to the initial selling location. So for you who is looking for what plant or flower you want to buy, you can visit the plaza, and let's begin with the seller to get your flower plant what you like. When we walking at the Infinity Link Bridge, actually there are a zone located at the below of the Infinity Link Bridge. The zone is what we call the thematic garden. The thematic garden is close to the river, and this park is intended for the art installation by local artists and used as a photo spot. So, ladies and gentlemen, no wonder many of the couple and take the photo shoot in here because it has a very good view, and many of the local artists they can display their arts and to show to the visitor of this park. And the circular flow pattern is used as an area for displaying fragrant plants and also as an area for art installation. Tebet Eco Park also has the wetland boardwalk. It's an area of standing water or wetland which is an important ecological asset for the Tebet Eco Park. This zone is a natural system designed to control floods and improve water quality by using plants that can support water purification. So the water that comes out of the northern part of the Tebet Park is a clean water. So if your friend asks what is the activity can we done in the Tebet Eco Park? In the Tebet Eco Park, you have a place to play for your beloved children. You also can have the morning jog on the Infinity Link Bridge, or you can play rock climbing in the children playground zone, especially this for the children, and you can sit in the park enjoying the fresh air in the city. Or you can enjoy the beautiful light at Tebet Eco Park at night, and you have with doing the fitness you will have a healthier, and you can walk the wetland boardwalk, and you can learn to be closer to the nature. And of course, you can enjoy the freshness of stepping on the grass on the community lawn, and you will walk surrounded by beautiful trees and other plants in the thematic garden. Thank you ladies and gentlemen as watching this video, and support us with the like, comment, suggest and share this video. And see you again in the next video. Have a good day.